Welcome teachers to another how-to, this time clean up old backup files. Many of us like to generate backup files of our Moodle courses to then download them to our computers. When we do that, it creates a copy on the server. We need to clean those up frequently. Here's how we do it. Log into your course, click the gear, and click on Restore. Here we can click Manage Backup Files in certain areas, Course Backup or Private Backup. So I click Manage Backup Files. I click the file I want to delete and then delete. I may want to sort them if I have many and bring the largest file on top of my list. Click the link, delete, OK. After you've done that a few times and cleaned up your backup files, don't forget to click Save Changes. Thank you so much for your attention to this important matter.